Hello, we're making the Reese's Minute Mug Cake from Reese's. Look, I got this for Christmas, now it's Easter, now it's time to use it. So here's my Reese's mug, it's the mug cake, Reese's mug cake. It says to add 1 package of Hershey's chocolate mug cake mix to microwave safe mug, that's this. It's in there, look at that. Step 2, add 2 tablespoons of milk. How many is 2 tablespoons of milk? I got the milk and I got my 1 tablespoon spoon. It says add 2 tablespoons of milk to my tablespoon spoon. So here we go. Here's 1 and 2. Okay. So now blend thoroughly with a fork until completely mixed. Got a fork. Ew. Whee! And then it says gently fold in Reese's peanut butter chips. We have this. Look at that. You gotta look at this. Like, look at that. Wow. Okay, so now it says to add the Reese's peanut butter chips. Wow, look at that. Now for a little extra something, I got myself some mini Reese's Pieces. So we're gonna just throw that in. See how those taste in it. A little extra stuff. I'll throw in 2. I guess I should talk during when I'm mixing. Yeah, like it's light, I guess, lightweight. Is that how you say it, lightweight? It's good, like it's not hefty. It's not hefty, it's pretty good. Okay, so now, microwave on high for 45 seconds. Do not overcook. Is that it? Then I'm done? Yeah, and then carefully remove from microwave and serve with a scoop of ice cream if desired. I'm not desired, I'm just gonna eat it like this. But I also got some Kinder Surprise too, so I'll serve with the side of Kinder Surprise, and I got 2 more Reese's Pieces cups, so I'll serve with that. Okay, you ready? Ready. Okay, so we're gonna scoop this, scoop that. This looks gross. Let's microwave it for 45 seconds. Look at that, it's risen. It looks good actually, to be honest with you. Like, look at that, look. It's risen and everything. It looks yummy. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll show you. Give me 1 sec. Let me organize everything and I'll be right back. And I'll show you what it looks like. Yummy. Look at that, huh? Got my Stella, got my brownies and stuff. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that. You better like and subscribe, people, because look at that. Look at that. Look at this. And then you just mix that with that. Look at that. It's beautiful. This is beautiful. I'm gonna buy this some more. Christmas. If you're a fan, just send me this. Like and subscribe.